Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with Gmail. Open Mail, Google.com or the Gmail app and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, find Compose to write a message and use Search to locate mail quickly. Make labels and stars now to organize incoming messages as they arrive. Also enable two-step verification and add a recovery email. This protects access and makes account recovery faster. These steps get you into a usable inbox immediately, so you can send, find, and secure mail without delay. Now focus on the middle steps that make Gmail powerful. Create filters to auto-label, archive, or forward specific senders. This reduces manual work. Use templates for repeated messages and schedule send when timing matters. Apply stars and custom labels to prioritize, and use archive to remove mail from inbox without deleting it. Turn on keyboard shortcuts and inbox categories to speed navigation. Together, these features automate routine tasks and let you maintain a zero inbox habit while keeping important threads easy to find. Finish by linking Gmail with Drive, Calendar, and Contacts so attachments, invites, and address autofill work seamlessly. Install useful add-ons for signatures or CRM integration and enable offline mode if you need mail without internet. On mobile, confirm sync settings and notifications so you don't miss urgent messages. If messages aren't appearing, make sure filters didn't archive them, check spam and all mail, verify storage quota, clear browser cache, and reauthorize the account if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.